You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name correctly in English. If you want to learn more confusing names pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. We've got tons for you more coming up. This is a given name, but it's also a nickname, short for Abigail, pronounced in English as Abby. Yes, I know there could be some confusion whether to pronounce it Abby, but no, it comes from Abigail, so Abby. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.